In the stillness of an unforeseen apocalypse, survival knowledge becomes paramount. Among the essentials, learning to ignite fire without matches stands out. Necessity is the mother of invention, they say. In the absence of matches, a lens can be your savior. Whether it's a magnifying glass, eyeglasses, or even a clear water-filled bag, sunlight focused through a lens can create a life-saving spark. But what if the sun isn't your ally? Fear not, for friction is a trusted friend. The bow drill method, an age-old technique, uses a bow-shaped stick to rotate a spindle against a fireboard, creating enough heat to kindle a flame. Remember, preparation and practice are your allies. Your survival could hinge on these skills. If you found this information useful, subscribe to Apocalyptic Live and give a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more survival tips. Let's make it through, one day at a time.